What's going on, guys? I've got a pressure washer here with a Honda GX 690 motor on it. I came to the conclusion that there is a problem with the low oil sensor. Located right back here. You guys probably can't see it, but it's on the block on the side. The way you gotta test it, get your old meter, turn it on. Find somewhere to sit it. In the back here. Take your wire off. That goes to the bolt on your oil pressure. The red goes on the wire plug. And it should be going off because I took the oil out. And it's not going off. So we have a bad low oil sensor. And this is on a Honda GX 690. A lot of times you replace those and she'll be ready to roll again. And if you ever get a Honda motor with this particular one, the GX 690, this fuse right here is your main fuse for your starter. If you turn your key on and there's no hours on it at all, more than likely you have a bad fuse. But this is all I have right now. This is actually my official first YouTube video. I will be doing at least 2 or 3 videos a week. If you like the info that I'm giving you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.